Hi everybody. In this weekly tasting we have 4 wines from the north of Spain and I can't wait to taste them, so without further ado, let's get to it. As we pointed out earlier in the video, Rioja is best known for its red wines, and in particular made from the Tempranillo grape. And most Rioja wines are blends using a mix of other native grapes as well. Bodegas Franco Espan olas was founded in 1890 as a partnership between France and Spain. What's pretty remarkable is the length of time that Rioja reds are aged for. Gran Reserva reds like this one here have to be in oak cask for at least 2 years. So we can expect this to be a pretty bold and woody wine. This wine is 10 years old, so we're starting to get a lot of these complex, mature aromas in there. Things like vanilla, brown sugar, leather, and tobacco. And something really interesting, dill. And I know that sounds crazy, but that dusty, dry sort of dill flavor is a result of aging the wine in American oak. Spain has long enjoyed a lucrative relationship with the United States, and over the years they found it was more cost-effective to use American oak rather than French. And for that reason, to this day, we still find flavors of dill in our red Rioja wine. We're suggesting that you pair this Rioja up with roasted poblano enchiladas. And the roasted green poblano peppers are the key here. I think they're going to really partner well with this earthy wine. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Mark Supsick. Cheers.